The best 5 foods for kidney cleansing. Fruit juices. Lemon, orange, and melon juice all contain citric acid, or citrate. Citrate helps prevent kidney stone formation by binding with calcium in urine. This inhibits the growth of calcium crystals, which can lead to kidney stones. Cucumber. Cucumbers are vegetables that have significant water content and some kidney-boosting properties. They prevent the gradual accumulation and settling of uric acid crystals in the kidneys, which limits the chances of chronic kidney diseases like kidney stones. Garlic and onions. Onions and garlic offer a multitude of health benefits and medicinal properties. They are both from the allium family and possess high quantities of quercetin that is known for protecting kidney cells and nephrons from damage. Asparagus. The phytonutrients in asparagus lowers blood pressure and has a cleansing effect on the kidneys and bladder as they increase urine production and break up uric acid. Apples. The fiber in apples is exceptional at binding to and removing toxins from the digestive tract before the body can absorb them, lessening the load on the kidneys.